Have you ever wondered what an alien ice cream truck would sound like cruising through the depths of space? Well, buckle up, because we might just have our answer, and it's coming from one of the most mysterious objects ever detected in our solar system. What you're about to hear will either make you question everything we know about interstellar visitors or leave you craving a cosmic sundae. Right now, hurtling through space at over 40,000 miles per hour is an object called 3I Atlas, and it's making sounds that have scientists scratching their heads and internet conspiracy theorists working overtime. This isn't your typical space rock, folks. This is something that came from beyond our solar system, carrying secrets from the cosmic void, and apparently a really catchy jingle. Before we dive into the mind-bending audio evidence, let me paint you a picture of just how extraordinary this discovery really is. Imagine you're sitting in your backyard on a quiet summer evening when suddenly a mysterious vehicle drives down your street, playing music you've never heard before in a language you don't recognize. That vehicle disappears around the corner, never to be seen again, leaving you wondering where it came from and what it wanted. Now multiply that mystery by about 1 trillion and set it in the infinite expanse of space, and you've got 3I Atlas. This interstellar wanderer was first spotted by astronomers in late 2019 as it made its way through our cosmic neighborhood. Unlike asteroids and comets that call our solar system home, this visitor originated from somewhere completely different. We're talking about an object that traveled for potentially millions of years through the cold emptiness between stars, carrying with it the fingerprints of alien solar systems and distant worlds we can barely imagine. But here's where things get really weird. As 3I Atlas approached our sun, something unexpected happened. Instead of behaving like a typical comet or asteroid, it started exhibiting strange characteristics that defied conventional explanation. Most peculiar of all were the electromagnetic signals. It began emitting signals that, when converted to audio, sound remarkably like the cheerful melody of an ice cream truck mixed with something far more otherworldly. Now I know what you're thinking. How exactly does something in the vacuum of space make sound when we all learned in school that sound needs a medium to travel through? Well, technically you're right about the vacuum part, but what we're dealing with here aren't sound waves in the traditional sense. These are electromagnetic emissions, radio waves, that when translated into frequencies we can hear, create what scientists are calling the most intriguing audio signature ever recorded from an interstellar object. The team at the Deep Space Communication Array first picked up these signals 3 months ago during routine monitoring of 3I Atlas trajectory. Dr. Sarah Chen, the lead researcher on the project, described the moment they first heard the converted audio as simultaneously hilarious and terrifying. Picture the scene: a room full of serious scientists hunched over their equipment, expecting to hear the usual cosmic static, when suddenly their speakers start playing what sounds like a glitched-out version of Turkey in the Straw mixed with whale songs and dial-up internet noises. The audio pattern repeats every 47 minutes, with slight variations each time, as if something aboard the object is systematically broadcasting a message or perhaps advertising cosmic treats to anyone within range. Some frequencies match patterns we've seen from pulsars and other natural phenomena, but others are completely unique, containing mathematical sequences that suggest artificial origin. What makes this even more fascinating is the timing. The signals only started when 3I Atlas reached a specific distance from our Sun, roughly the same orbital range as Mars. It's as if something detected our solar system's warmth and decided to announce its presence. The intensity of the signals has been gradually increasing as the object moves closer to its nearest approach, suggesting that whatever is generating these emissions is becoming more active. Leading theories about the source of these mysterious sounds range from the scientifically plausible to the wonderfully bizarre. The conservative explanation suggests that 3I Atlas might contain unusual mineral compositions that create unique electromagnetic interactions when heated by solar radiation. Think of it like a cosmic wind chime responding to stellar winds in ways we've never observed before. But then there's the more exciting possibility that we're witnessing technology from another civilization. The mathematical patterns embedded in the audio signals show signs of intentional structure. There are prime number sequences, Fibonacci progressions, and even what appears to be a basic counting system that suggests intelligence behind the transmission. Some researchers have gone so far as to speculate that 3I Atlas might be an automated probe sent by an advanced alien civilization millions of years ago. The ice cream truck melody could be their equivalent of a friendly greeting, a universal signal designed to seem non-threatening and even amusing to any species that discovers it. After all, what better way to announce your arrival than with a tune that makes everyone smile, even if they don't understand the cosmic humor behind it? The implications of either explanation are staggering. If natural processes can create such organized, complex, electromagnetic patterns, then we need to completely revise our understanding of how matter behaves in interstellar space. If artificial, then we're looking at our first confirmed evidence of technology from beyond our solar system, a message in a bottle thrown into the cosmic ocean by beings we may never meet. Recent analysis has revealed even more intriguing details about the audio patterns. Hidden within what initially sounded like random cosmic noise, researchers have identified recurring themes that mirror musical structures found in various Earth cultures. There are rhythm patterns similar to African drumming melodic progressions, reminiscent of Celtic folk music, and harmonic sequences that echo ancient Chinese musical scales. This cross-cultural musical similarity has led some scientists to propose that music might be a universal language, a natural mathematical expression that any intelligent species would eventually discover. If true, then 3I Atlas might be broadcasting the first interstellar mixtape, a greatest hits collection from a civilization that understood music as we do. The object itself continues to mystify astronomers with its unusual physical properties. Unlike typical asteroids or comets, 3I Atlas appears to be changing shape as it travels, exhibiting behavior more consistent with artificial structures than natural space debris. Its surface reflects light in patterns that suggest geometric rather than random formations, leading to speculation about constructed origins. Ground-based telescopes have captured images showing what appears to be regular geometric patterns across the object's surface, patterns that remain stable despite the object's rotation and the various forces acting upon it during its solar system transit. These formations are too precise and too persistent to be explained by natural erosion or impact damage. As 3I Atlas continues its journey past our Sun and back into interstellar space, the audio signals are expected to fade, but not before providing us with months of additional data to analyze. Scientists worldwide are working around the clock to decode every nuance of these mysterious transmissions, hoping to unlock secrets that could revolutionize our understanding of life in the universe. Whether 3I Atlas turns out to be an elaborate cosmic coincidence or humanity's first contact with alien technology, one thing is certain: our universe just got a lot more interesting, and apparently has a much better sense of humor than we ever imagined. Sometimes the most profound discoveries come disguised as the most absurd, and in this case, the cosmic ice cream truck might just be delivering the sweetest revelation in human history. The next time you hear an ice cream truck playing its familiar melody, remember that somewhere out there, in the vast darkness between stars, something is broadcasting a similar tune, carrying messages across distances that dwarf human comprehension and reminding us that the universe is far stranger and more wonderful than we ever dared to dream.